Hello, good morning. So this is the episode Sunday Reset, and in this episode I am doing lymphatic massage. I've seen on TikToks, I've seen on Instagram people doing it. So I wanted to try it out and I ordered this brush from Amazon, and I am just using baby oil, using whatever that I have in the house and doing the lymphatic massage. No, it's not gonna give you abs, it's not gonna burn your fat, but it is good for de-bloating your stomach. So every Sunday I like to glaze myself with baby oil. I like to glaze myself, and later when I take bath I like to scrub it all off with a good scrubber. I'm starting my day by drinking a lot of water, and here I am making my infused water for the day. I let it sit in the fridge and it tastes very good. So first ingredient I'm adding is grapes, chopped grapes. I like to mix and match with the fruits that I have. And second is cucumber. I've added a lot of cucumber into my water. It's always good to have natural infused water in your fridge than to buy any of the canned drinks that you get in the market. It's better than any soda or any zero-calorie drinks. I used to drink Diet Coke, but I am on the cut of Diet Coke because my friends say that it's not good for your brain. So yeah. And now I am adding chia seeds. I've added beetroot, cucumber, lemon, grapes, and chia seeds for this infused water. Look how the water is turning pink due to the beetroot. I really like it when it turns pink. I make varieties of infused water like this one. I add ingredients according to my mood. Sometimes I add carrots, sometimes lime and mint, but today I am only adding the ingredients that I mentioned. And then I let it sit in the fridge for a while I cook my lunch. So this is my lunch. I have pumpkin, chicken, carrot, and I have whole wheat bread. Sundays are the days that I like to reflect on a lot of things. While I eat and clean, I like to listen to audiobooks and also declutter my stuff. And I also do skincare. Self-care has been my top priority on all days, not only on weekends, but on Sundays mostly I take it slow, relax, and reflect on what life has to offer, and being mindful and living life on purpose. Sundays are my days when I like to catch up with friends and families. I call my families on Sundays. Each one of them I'm close to, and then I like to go out with friends, hang around a little bit, refresh my mind, and do active stuff like running together or working out together. I work out with my friends on weekdays as well, but on weekends it's extra fun. And currently on my watch list I have this Thai drama that I'm watching, which is about these two girls working hard together in a big city. I think that's a BL drama. And also I am catching up on sports news and a lot of Formula One stuff.
Oh, we've been through it. We put in the hours, studied and hunkered down, patched up and glued it to get to where we are now. Whenever patience ran out, and even if everything is the same, there are still things.
Hi everyone, I'm back from my run. I'm back from walking and running. Time to do a little grocery haul. I got a few things that I want to show. So please sit down, sit down. So the first thing I got is this biscuit, ginger oat cookies, and it has no sugar. No sugar. And then I got another one from the same brand. Oh no, different brand. I got another one which is also sugar-free oatmeal crackers, which has pumpkin seed in it. And then I got lemon juice. I use natural lemon, but just in case when you're out of your lemons. And then I got Amul. This one is skimmed milk, so I always take this one or the red one. And then, oopsies. And then I got a visible white Colgate, some dishwash gel, and I also got a bag full of lemon. I really like lemon water, infused lemon water, so I always need them. And then I also got coffee. Girl cannot live without caffeine. For my coffee, I got Davidoff. I sometimes take Davidoff, sometimes take some other brands. I like to try out other brands as well, Indian brands. But this time I got this one. And then I also got Nescafe Ice Black. I really want to try this out. I haven't tried it yet, and it has caffeine strength of 4 out of 5. So it is nighttime. I cannot take caffeine now, but I'm gonna try this tomorrow. Yeah, that's it for my haul, groceries haul. And now I have to go eat dinner, and then do all the leftover stuff. Girl, look cute today. This was my run outfit. Run fits. When you're running, you literally feel like you're in a sauna because it's so hot these days. green tea. Green tea for sensitive skin.
Don't deny it, why don't we try it? Don't say we're gonna leave it all behind. I know you want me, this could be something. I hope you feel it too. Oh, let this be over. Want you to stay.
Awesome.